Today I'm going to take you on a walking tour through the Mott Haven section of the Bronx. Nah.
Let me see that. If you're recording me, will you just
Bro.
erase it?
Bro.
Are you recording me?
No, bro. I'm taking pictures.
Let me see. Let me.
So what just happened right there was not too uncommon. You know, the common sense thing to do is, which I learned this a while ago from experience, it's best to announce yourself. You don't just poke your camera in someone's face. In that instance, I wasn't necessarily down there to video him. I just was walking around. I had no idea he was there. I turned the corner. Less than a minute, he just went from 0 to 100. You know, when it happens so fast like that, and you know, I'm not a confrontational person. I'm not looking to, you know, I could run. That's basically my defense. And had he gotten a hold of me, you know, I don't know. I don't want to be rolling around with some crackhead. So I was like, I gotta get out of here. And I booked it. I ran. My body was actually in shock and the next day I was actually like feeling it because I haven't ran that fast or that much in a while. And he was keeping up. I was booking it, and he basically wanted to grab my camera. I don't know, do what? That's what he was after. I wasn't letting him get to my camera. So this is an original Andre the Giant street team mural that's still here. I believe it's been here since 2000. But AG, Showbiz and AG, digging in the crates. He was from the Patterson houses, which is right here in Mott Haven. So this is a pretty rare gem. It's cool that it's still running for as long as it's been here. See, this is all like new developments over here. This was not here. Maybe 10 years ago they built that building first, but this is brand new. And this used to be all just like heavily like bombed out like graffiti on this corrugated metal gate. Actually, not even that long ago, I think. Maybe 5 years ago, you still could have come down here and there was some old stuff, some old tags on that gate. But I remember, yeah, it was really, really desolate just walking down here. So I don't know if you've guys been following my other videos, but I always point out $2. Here's another $2 fill-in. It's a $2. So this is one of those things that happen in certain light settings. Like right now, the way the sun is, you could see the old graffiti coming out from under the buff paint. This was probably painted over early 90s. But this is Fat Joe, Crack TS, Terror Squad. For those of you familiar with hip hop, obviously know about Fat Joe. He was a pretty well-known graffiti writer in the early 90s, and he had a bunch of tags around up until a certain point. I think this may be the only one that's actually visible. You could see even here, it says Crack. It's pretty rare. I mean, I don't think there's anywhere on the internet that will tell you about this, and I've never seen pictures of it. It's one of those things, I just spend a lot of time walking around and looking around, and I noticed it one night, and I always know it's there, and I think over time it just like appears more and more. These are a bunch of pieces by Nick One, Aerosol Kings, that's his crew. And Nick One was one half of the Videograph Productions crew that did all the graffiti videos in the early 90s. Really influential videos. And it was Nick One and Carl Weston. And those videos were so iconic. I remember Nick One from 5 Points. He actually used to help run 5 Points with Mirrors in the early 2000s. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you like this video, and I'll catch you on the next video.